Why don't skyscrapers fall during earthquakes? When the ground starts shaking like this, you'd think a skyscraper would crumble instantly, but it doesn't. That's because real skyscrapers don't try to fight the earthquake, they move with it. Engineers design them to bend, not break, using deep foundations drilled into solid rock, flexible steel frames, and massive counterweights that balance the motion. When the ground shakes, those systems let the whole building sway safely, absorbing the energy instead of snapping. In huge quakes, some towers move several feet side to side. It looks wild, but that's exactly what keeps them standing. You can even see real buildings do it, proof that flexibility is stronger than rigidity. So next time you see one, remember, skyscrapers don't fight earthquakes, they dance with them.